What's up, guys? It's Man James 45 and doing a little free for all against some people. I'm gonna be trying to do right shield kills. This is my new house I'm living in, so I really don't have anything really set up at all to be playing. This is Battlefield or Black Ops 2. Why did I say or Black Ops? Yeah, Black Ops 2. Why did I say Battlefield? It's kind of creepy. Let's do this, lady. What is up with connection? That one guy has a really bad connection, and I hate it when I have bad connections. Get out of here. Ooh, someone else decided to get him. Ooh, someone came out of nowhere and got me. No scope. Ha. Let's do this, ladies. Ah, he brought out a faster weapon. I see how it is. Rank up. Let's try shotgun, shall we? Get that one. Ah, lucky. Let's do this again. Tomahawk. Let's see if this works. Can I get one? Here we go. Can I get this? Be really sick if I get this. Oh, migrating host. Are you kidding me? That should be a kill also. That's bull crap right there. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Another one. And another one gone. And another one gone. And another one passed the test. You got me. See if I can get another one of the tomahawk kills. You got me. Second. Let's do it. We gotta get back up. Dun dun. Get out of here. Ooh, you got me. Need 2 kills just to catch up. Man, I was about to turn around and tomahawk your ass. You can't beat me. Yeah. Tomahawk. Get over here. Let's do this. And he would put a sentry gun down right there. What's up, gamer? Haven't talked to you in a while. Even though it's been like a couple hours since I've talked to you. Alright, let's... Dolphin dive this? Oh, how in the world could he do that? Oh, let's get into the game. Let's do this. And surprise. Now I'm not getting to enough kills. For some reason. There we go, finally. Ooh, surprise. Surprise. Ooh, what did I get? Second. Thank you guys very much for watching. I know this was a short video, but we're just testing out the new system. Alright, thanks. That's a great shot by that guy. Like, subscribe, comment even if you want to. See ya.